94.7 FM. So I know so good so atino. You run this show from now till 9. 33 minutes after the hour of 7. Within the Enoch, Kwesi Walanyo Wallace. A good year catch back up. The only nomenclature the Professor's Green Sports. The Alregina Wallace. And the messing Kunya Name Kono Quantin Credit Science and Queen Etienne Jao. And you know the can translate that. You were Michael Oka, the youngest researcher in town, or Hanum, and I feel so quano. You was said what the moon, the analytical said what the moon, and so ha. Yamia Domen, come on, Ebeni G, Ebeni can somewhere feeling and ha. Shannon Subio Mamma said Philip to AK-47, the gunshot man, Immortal Kwameja Champion, Bernard Paddy, and I feel Kobe, the scavenger, and I feel Subama, writer Amenyo, and I feel all the wonderful members of the community fee, Eric Sidu Bodi, woman na air touch, and I feel gifty anti, and so ha, Omo Eboa, and my son shall some queen so etwin Asakoye, Shannon so and then common ebede, Obetian send a WhatsApp comment at your bar 0244483290, 0244483290, now the WhatsApp comments etwin Saba. Efa enkoma ebehwehwe ha no na afi mepam no yetimi enso akenka ma phone sana nema AC call Blasters are starting wo mu etraining ne enne na Accra Sports Stadium pani behwe sana nema AC call so de hunkomo ebetuen senjao na on sana nema AC call obamu anso a National Under 23 the Black Metals of Ghana the Olympic team no wo so egu ahosesi so eno so behwe sana hye AC call enra amafo beka ye pa Michael Okan the youngest researcher in town eden komo kakra brain cheche Blaster players are 18 to send from 24 players no one more records one more playing time and na film performance asset enra and then nyame adoma obekọ the strikers no so akachi na fear se na nema AC call so bia se do da mu enso be bone mutokro na fear se na hye no AC call edema twumadi a Blasters of Ghana players no so egusu edi afem repem no ye besa komu amanoni tokrom na se foreign conversations how do appear no eno so ye be bese mu kakra na fear se na nema AC call we ene nkomo wrebi and the bebel still our Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM so ye refie say normalization committee Dr. Kofi Amwa ene anope ene atwenko ye bisan say sen kra na nema esitie the appointment of the 5-member management committee Edema Blasters of Ghana no sen kra na hye sitie papa echeche mu bisan say FIFA mandate no msa kana papa edoje ye bisan ko we ni nyina no wose akire de ho ensusan so betuan saba si apama so kunu na se empam no wose no so onyante kra no nkasa kra nyante nyame adoma emepam no yɛrɛsɛ na nneɛma esi ekɔ ɛdefa ɔmo nhyehyɛ a wɔn so egusu edin wei ne komo berebe ana yɛde ebro still ɛwɔ Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM so yɛnkɔ bright yɛbo atela BYT hɔ na afɛ asante mantem agudiem ensam keka adɔso papa yi emfa ho komo enyaen ensam keka ana egu Ghana agudie yenko bright yebo atela ho bright yemo adwo yemo akwaba obrini yenko
wala bibia da bi ewo ye kumase na yente ati for mu ti dumadi no ewo ye ntintanti bi da bibia na de tene se wo be tim ewo ye asante mantem dia na se bibia da ku na sisi ameka se kra no afi na ja mene na mu amawura mu kumase pole amene na masin ho be di cheche Asempa so amene na mu a kopie degree park na to so metia bo mani akoma kakra ewuti na de tene se ni kopie mu ewo eye babanya ra sports de inter schools no eno ho dwuma ana na ja ye di kakra ka na no ana te se bibia ti na tutoja ama eye hu team eye schools o mo so etima qualify na no e ma na from ni Kumasi girls ene be first ewo honom sanso ateka FHS eto so mienu ana armed forces secondary technical mo so eto so miensa ho na mankan so FHS eto so na TI amadia formina bebi areka yi akọ school no omo etimi eto so makomako enum na akwasi opon senior high school na ndie ma ha akwasi pon ni school awon so atenem for the first time omo etima history omo timi awuram into super zone aka no be cause 28 29 coming Thursday Friday week and I say super zone as no and so betimi akoso the biggest panty school so shocking and manner for moment to qualify no the parents die train with the SHS we go dia ne adanwo ma se agogo college omu nyina na agona tete ene antwa SHS ne ware man omu nyina enti an qualify one man no ene die fu oba mema na tam so peta SHS ene tumi defense one man tie bebre na se Kumasi ai ene top na group no ya one for Kumasi a group anaka enka no room no na de be e first afi we de papa abe tu omo ama te purchase and the top group na omo enya 105.5 points e ma Kumasi anya 90 and I'm 12 years at the man qualify the man the qualify oh so be na clear work man kranso no bo akodi this time omo shoot me make amends still I'm forces to qualify the power do qualify akoma down qualify go college adanwo ma fe any schools be to say ware man no agona tete se duma so fo asin no manso de bia mu nyina enti an qualify e wo no na wala de bia tene se bo be se 5 PM ho baby na kotoko team no etimi ewura mu Kumasi na enje wu pie Kumasi saade a obestake etimi free ejoso na no ana group ayate a de no terebo atenfoma kotoko communication team member ebia ni mu ayate di say awareness group etimi enso the bass pepe ka best mienu etimi kosia team no kwan emo mu di team na team pre ma ya di o ma ya ne ba no ene kikiri sa mu de bewura mu ewo Kumasi amakum epiem ewo sports hotel na se ensema Dr. Cheis wo kan ni bibia omu nyina twesi aya bibia timi course UNT anasa Dr. Asempa ni fo omu akiri eni bi ensema also omu kan omu nyina etimi twesi a omu toto an baba ya bibia etimi to yi na ensema na bubaba se papa ni din ede masokola di former wa stars Asantoko to coach wa bokro bia Kumasi Asantoko to da ofidi team di din enso ede wa Upper West Heroes eba kotoko mode ma obode kotoko ko pana na just 93 no ka ho no ye tiane se papa no na se dudo na ka se obeba be coach bie mu to be coach kotoko 2011-12 after 2010-11 season ye boss second runner obedon kotoko as ye assistant to Bogdan Korak ni adia e ma aduma na be to odima na se head coach ode kotoko be G League 2011-12 under Dr. Kofi Kodia support keke support address no ye tiane se na dudo na nsem ndam trawum se papa yi eso be join Krobia Kumasi Asantoko na mimi ana aya anke George Amwako dojo oba kotoko beke pawo bitafuru nya kwa breast way back in 87 na odon kotoko nti ono no honim kese wa fie kotoko ni mu ateye pra ni se diagoro kwa na no ana papa no atime dia ti ja se hwe wana ka kire mo ye mpa coach bia na ye support coach no fully say be ya coach ni betima to nyama na we kwa no mo susu say da bi o betima di o mka so mo ko no ma ko try na o matini ayuro mo na mum within shortest possible time no kotoko e betima di top no na nya say we na kikiki bia no ma de ni ade time enti papa no man full support say me coach aduma no coaching job no role kotoko na ne dia mo pupu di mo nyina wo kra so obi ba be tu na say be pam na furo o mo nyina ho danti ase si wo no oginam atia ka tira tiefo ne amansan ne Ghana ene aya kotoko supporters papa no tra as a head coach for club ya Kumasi Asantoko ani ko coach was any bo coach ni eze bia kan yo na so oti o yam te so ono no gidi say o aye enti a wasan as a coach for kotoko na pressure bia ni so omo koye na de no mo pe no ene sen ke bia kotoko be kwa ko na ni mo but ba bia mo duru ye no enso ade se as a coach no owuni se mnante na bo no mo de bibi kutua bi ana ntimi anko ya mfa makotoko na nunu ma no ho kwan se also otimi strength team nti say o baba be strength kotoko team nti o ka sa asem na pe de ba team ye team anu se ne amanfo be ko ene kotoko team no ye ba be start players bi bi o mo ntimi mboa no na pe ya ye recruitment papa de outside team no ye se ba ya team no the near future bi ana mo wuro mu a ene ma betuma koyi enso etuma bi ama nti de tiane se papa no so be strength team nti massive shake up ebe ba e kotoko play team nim na se na wuti anye ya we be ko ama obi aba na transfer enche nti 3 best and na premier nu ko edi ko si ne na woto so ne na otu mienu so ko ne bosom so no anasa bosom yem ko na wie na ne wate se player we kotoko terminate no contract player we had not to transfer player we ko loan wa player we yani na wie mutual ni abia nti sa be pe na be ko so e wo ye kotoko duma de nti se si a sa wote se sa ne ma ne bi ko so ama ne nyonwa e sa se coach ni se o best strengthen team and strengthen the team the na sa die wo you know and na oba be shemu kina na oba shemu kina also people team no with good and quality players on bet bi abo na se bi nye ke bi be ko eno ene asama eno so bobo edi free club ya Kumasi Asantoko enso ase enso e de eba wala.
Okay, eti William say enkomo no hwam kama nyame adoma yeso yebebo nkrande no ama mafo sana nema esieko eti yebedo asenwumre so na
na wala so ni Ghana so je afcon no na 37 years nti yewo bi say cap no be saba so ye mon pa ayo kokwa na sikani ho ninja na hilali mama address wo say Ghana kwa ye ne ono as a person so tene Mohammed Gaddafi so ni politics jensamna o yenti Ghana ni keke bia yanko abla ya qualify you Congo dia zai den time etime bia free no nya de ko na kama the year 31 December 2021 and as papa ni dia de Jerry John Lawrence yes and wa ba na de bia be toja ama Ghana tia qualify ma ko kra any corner of ball any match we will fan sika ama house no Olympics dwarfs no vipers no azata se no white ni na bomb de to bama friendship alliance bisu koso between Iran, Ghana, and our money friends Libya, Momusu donate cash. Ede ma Ghana itimi do call sa tournament na ni daso enu about Ghana itimi je na 37 years penalty shooters after some match mensa e ko ball no de fe no 2 penalties itimi ama Ghana itimi win 7 on penalty nti men ka play for so say ye di yate no enso nsa na ho a eno so wa do sa don team match ye be ka dia kwa kusi last 2 years so 2017 league eno so ball Mohammed Adams chia referee Samosuka so kwaje penalty ma house bo she no eno so na 2 years the di ka sa na ye say ka kai tie for so sa na menim wale na wala before say me kokra ma men chia apostle Joe Bessie our no chapel international yes one of the spiritual fathers among pampa ibu ni agrokra enti mamentia ni pa na afi so party mo ene yimanu amuso US na afi so Alanski de so Germany omu nyina enso edi djuma yi pa e de boa djuma di no wala
okay we dey better as bright yebo atela BYT ye da senwumre biu
leso me da se pa
okay ensem keka Ghana yese enche bia ana yefi Asante Mantamagudium ensem keka ho na yede nkomo no etiensa gufam enche bia besa awra another segment mu na fair sena nema esia kobache no so se ene Blasters of Ghana against their Kenyan counterparts na kensi no kwesi memeda ana ebeba so ewon krampuni mantema na for a long while ni na Crash Post ni mbo match order na the lady omu chese nyame adoma Blasters versus the Harambee Stars of Kenya wom their kensi no ebitia pem so James Akwesi apia ene ne tenka ensemble no ana ene womo wetene say 19 players ana omo tene up e wo sa camp mu na omde am sesi ni 18 sapem so the team was led by captain Andre Ramidi Morgan Ayo and the absence of Baby Jet Samuel Jan and the colleagues no training grounds no na enya samketwa e wa Crash Post Stadium ho na Caleb Ekuban ana fe so dada kwadwa Samuel hwesa nema ese course no dia their players who were absent ana fe yadom so he has been replaced by Daniel Opari due to injury prakakra etimi asa do kro nyame adoma Enua Benedict ono ana de ne twesa akiri mo na ohwese nema ese course na fe so de recorders ne cameras no ekosha Crash Post no timepem no or the report no ebitua sabre na fe obo enkomo ni mu nchire mu yie pa but ye keka ni chire hwese nema ese kono na just John Boy enso eka 19 players no Joseph Edu Christian Achutwa Sam ana yire broni Lawrence Atizigi ana fe Amos Frimpong Kasim Nuhu Adams ana fe so Jordan Pierre Ayo Andre Ramidi Morgan Ayo Mubarak Wakaso Thomas Tepati Alfred Duncan Richard Ofori Kwesi Apia Lumo Agbanyenu ana fe so Felix Anan ana fe so Kwame Bonsu Alhassan Wakaso Jeffrey Shop ana fe Ibano Boateng we mu any placer wo de omani 18 sa kire camper wo ede am sisi ni 18 sa pem so ntiwi ene nkoma eno so atini asato fam ewo sana dwudi ni AC ekọ eho ni mu na ubamu a hwese na hye ni AC ekọ a na je se Blasters eni bire pa na ekoso ana 23 no so gusu eye ahosisi esan so omso akwantu kese ba ko do manima ese omutin sa de pem so omhwe nim se wom ne Gabonese counterparts no so ebe hyesi akan ewo mudwumadi a wom enso gusu dimnyame adoma eno so ebe hwese na nema besi akọ ewo sa dwumadi a eno so ebetua sa pie no but men sebre men ko Benedict usu dan kwa ho BOD na afi yehwe sana nema AC ekọ ema Blasters training omde pem so no Benedict ye mwadwo
Bra me jo so.
Bi ai bokɔ de.
Nyame adu me bia bokɔ me gidi se won so ho ye.
You wati ase egusu nkakra saa se na wo gya akiri man no. Saa na egusu eye no. Yanko eboemu e.
Well, wala ene eye 4 p.m. ko PM e wo eye Accra Sports Stadium na just Black Stars of Ghana. Ena omo etimide omo first training session. Etuja o shana coach Christian Pia oni man tie no. Ho keka no de na no mo start no de na ene bi tuja say omo etimi e start campaign. Omo edi omo ni chiemu e wo bia ye free hot Asempa this hotel. Iti ene ekoba ene say Black Stars players no with me e be drew kana no na so etimi de omo ni coach mu. E wo ye Accra Sports Stadium no with me e di training e so. 4 p.m. say them di kan no na emrantie mako 19 etimi edo mo ebe PM na hwema na Andrea you ne bia Jordan you edi mako tinye manji bi temu ba kwa kasu Thomas Partey komati asante ko mantie me plan ye to Kwame Bunusu ene Felix Sanan as ena omo captain mo Shempon everyone mo touch down e ko tuka international airport mo so etimi do mo copy mu our team campaign no so e kamranti ande omotimi e be ye doing no be any time o share be share de bona be na timi by e be share training no say aka na ye ball Black Stars ball ha ti you know just say be na timi do be chi mo no mo be ye team ni training de be bia ko ye manche 19 e do motimi e ba training na o shemu na coach Christian Pia after training no or to you say a branch of friend and the yadom our new sina kind Emma Redden championship no or no injury last weekend or ball man the team Nadia or no with me Ababekan team no eti Wama than or pare late caller our enemy say ayeswa nyamekwa Wednesday you made it, which is young watch then you pray and I said Thursday panel now than or pare me abichimo and the training also ekuye na emrantie makumu no bi ejai after some peke knock we are lupo at the end epike knock our no entity and we training the color so poku so ejai training no also peke knock but to share emrantie mo at down when ni asabati mo bi say a branch of one for our Sassuolo after Duncan na na okay kano eso emi pa obi so e se kwesi apia ono bo FC Gombe building ono so awon kekano na eso emi but wala yon so wa ma se ma de ye o se ayu for ne ba kuja samwa e ma no ene ye hu kuja samwa but kwesi apia e se kuja samwa ene yu no beba anyambo china ono be nyaka Black Stars training for the first time since 2014 yako World Cup no nyambo ana kuja samwa be drew I just say nyambo channel that will be the first time since 2014 kuja samwa ne I use ni na ever welcome.
Okay we dey e bedo ase nyame adoma se ne aka wa kire no your voices am se wo san de ba ndi e wa post dia mind da e be bo mama fo se na ma esi akweda se nwumire so
wala nyo me se me da pa se de ejuma no o ma me ye no ndi ye no Daniel kosi ye ni sa
okay
so
okay I'm say we last qualifiers omo ebo nti omo bo we wi na say ya cement qualification games ni na ya bo awie apraprensa ho na say ko Egypt nyame adoma se na wo ye no Ghana ha no ye be san akoto so Egypt na wasan to so abadwuma no sa why
well I say the what can do na eno no
Asempa
yeah hi ye be san ko na da bia say the timi ema atiefo ne berade fo mo hwe join na do TV omunya so hu de beko nti ni team ni wi draw no cry beko you draw na training to wala nyo ye be fa ho azakwa ye tiye draw
Mate Benedict Osudan kwa BOD e da se bebre nwure okay it's Benedict Osudan kwa na tene ka so the live report no 8 jan e the fast na niam esi ekọ e the Emma the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana he was at the training where live report and or the abai Emma ehunse na niam esi ekọ won hihya hodo a eno so 18 cent pp but sanche no so mo bioma me se eye siki akono ene koroko players a mu cry se won ekọ Zambia no ene o mabedu na ohese na niam esi ekọ akotuka international airport on be pim no na Enyasem Ketwa crowd. The Porcupine Warriors they were booted out of the competition last Sunday. na ohwema transfer Zesco United Electricity Company team etwam 2-1 el Mackenzie nim Mackenzie ne ba so el Ndola el Zambia for wom ehye so ho ana sajwede ne eto Jakotoko ana place last el group C nim after say wom lose 3-1-2 and D1 el Mackenzie through the process am de money transfer chim na for mama 7 points el Mackenzie nim niama entian kuye amfa mom basiki akono beduye no Siki one can have saying
the team that has not the journey and have not favored in Ghana, Zesco and the same. They played against each other some weeks ago. Sudan is not far from here, and we come all the way from. And so this is something that we are seeing the effect, And these boys again, inexperienced, and the fact that we travel up and down, train and all those things, it's hard. But they've managed it very well. They've coped very, very well. So I'm proud of them. I'm proud of them, and we'll continue to work. We'll continue to believe in the way we play and the way we move forward, and hopefully you guys will make the judgment.
Okay, enti CK akono Charles Kobana akono head coach Emma Kumasi Asante ko kombedu no ana ode san komoyi ejan efasana niama ACL ko ho enti ni aba no but quickly yenko eye amanoni tokrum na afi ehwesana niama ACL ko e amanoni tokrum na Michael Okan, the youngest researcher in town, is still in town enti ehwesana niama ACL ko enti emperor prechemane.
It's time for foreign tidbits. News from the world, foreign tidbits. Authentic news, foreign tidbits. Very, very latest, foreign tidbits. Whoa, whoa, it's foreign tidbits. It's time.
Okay, it's no way I'm on it to chrome. It's time. I'm on it to chrome. Yamiadoma, where's on the Asia course now? We're just the preface of the show. What time no changes between us about it. Also, it's time. It's what time and also no. Yamiadoma changes will bring everything about Michael Okai. Anom, we any to I'm on it to chrome. A little bit of deliberation analysis on the issues now about Efi Amono. Inti Yakum Kakra or Nafi on the Asia. Michael, thank you. Dromo, no, Miss Major saying.
We say Nyamiadum, everything but Drummond.
It's in Mesmeka say okay, Sasa, America say Nakano.
Thank you. Hello, Dubai.
Charlie, in kind year. Obi anyone to send me Kuma. In kind. Me think I see Obi Bruta.
Oh, you go.
Charlie, Onugano Trabe, is a meeting but me Trabe.
All right. First story I want to know.
Can you my depa? J mobile call in blon me. J mobile call me. O fine, shimmy, shimmy. O fine, shimmy, no ya. I don't want to think I tell me to know. I know every woman kind of.
Right, Prof. First story.
Nothing kind. Kind of. I can't say something kind.
Right, Prof. First story. By free boxing. That Uko America and Azoko New York. Who said there was a press conference between Deontay Wilder and Dominic Breazeale. It was a Deontay Wilder, or American and as a black American heavyweight boxer. Now, over defending WBC heavyweight title against Dominic Breazeale in a press conference. Okay, I say after this fight, you will look. You say Orenya, the Nigeria international, I say the Nigeria descent. Anthony Joshua say you'll be the next after Dominic Breazeale, and I say Tyson Fury. Into when you fight Deontay Wilder. Showing him say after Dominic Breazeale fight, or be either of Anthony Joshua and I said Tyson Fury, because fight be and I say boxing be and I say about to be the fans wants to see, so he wants to give the fans what they want to see. The second story on Zlatan Ibrahimovic, who say about Manchester United, and as a former player of Manchester United, about Man U for 18 months now, or by during the time of Jose Mourinho. Now what fitting him now or America say about waka nsem kakra for team no because of you say former players Emma coaches are succeeding Alex Ferguson a lot of pressure, and because of this pressure and I say because of the success of Alex Ferguson ama nyamwa for the coaches are more placing because David Moyes, Luis Van Gaal, Jose Mourinho, they will not be able to match the success Ferguson are achieving, and it's mainly because of the class of 92 and I say Alex Ferguson young graduate audio movie the academy of Manchester United to the first team because of their criticisms are audio coaches are or mobile or Philip say Anka or no in charge of Manchester United. On Unit States and Alex Ferguson, I Manchester United, right? You create his own history into where criticism Kakra Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Alebo, and as a water towards the class of 92 for now. Grantis ITV, and as a Grantis ITV, you know, one of the English papers, I have read the Mirror, UK. Now, my third story is on Callum Hudson-Odoi, who is this boy, Ghana, and I say, or Ghanaian descent. And the Usha Sabo na Ghanaian say who say for the Black Star, but and if you look at the news ever from England, and I say if you look at the news ever from UK, you could see say your friend one of the first call up for the English national team. Into any hopes for this boy coming to play for Ghana, I think say slowly is going away, and I say Fedi. Now if you look at Callum Hudson-Odoi, Wabama, the English setup of the under 17, Omuko Indian, and you won the World Cup. And I said, under 17 World Cup for England with the likes of Bruce Tamu, Obama Liverpool, with the likes of Angel Gomez, Manchester United, Panzo of Monaco. I think say this boy in the future is clearly decided. And I said the international future slowly is fading away from the Black Star to the English national team. Now another story, it was Spain, is on Rafael Varane. Now according to L'Equipe, Obunka say, and I said they are saying say Rafael Varane say. Around I did it in common with the friends and in the family, and I said the close friends. And if you listen to the conversation just say Rafael Varane wants to seek a new challenge, and I said wants to seek a new competition, and he's looking at leaving Real Madrid. Now one interesting story Rafael Varane is before we moved to Real Madrid from Lens in 2011. Now it was being chased by Manchester United, but he chose to go to Real Madrid. Now of course Real Madrid is into Abuano because he has achieved a lot. From league titles to Champions League to World Cup, and I think say on a new challenge. Now Manchester United have been touted as the preferred destination for Rafael Varane in the near future. Say we say Rafael Varane say call Manchester United is because say he wants to seek a new challenge. He wants to seek a new challenge in a different country and a different league. And the prof we kakrana yagada from Amanonin in Sevanasa Amanonin Tokro. Prof, now, who's news every Accra Sports Stadium, everybody say after Black Stars training, you will say 2 players and training no in the name of Lumo Agbenyanu Nicolas Opoku. Now I think say this is very important for Ghanaians to notice say and I say we pull out from the training, and I said the Black Star training.
The strikers ne count.
Yes, the strikers ne count. And the story the report say Nicolas Opoku any Lumo Agbenyanu, they were not able to finish the training. Now, and you're surprised, man, because the fact, any statistics to you about all the Black Star players. Now, if you look at Nicolas Opoku as a player, about only 728 minutes, and about 10 times I'm in the club. It shows say on Shadow bought a lot of matches. Into why Rusty is mostly found on the bench, and I say off the team, and I say most at times on can't team no cry because if you judge by the minutes about extra compared to the other players, and I say compared to other defenders like Joseph Edu, about 3,187 minutes. And I think say it's a bit rusty. That is why he's not able to continue, and I say he's not able to finish the training because other players are by like after Duncan won a lot of minutes. They are active and they are consistent in the training way. And BBI more money knock. I think say training we are going by a very recovery session, and I say very light training. If they are not able to finish the light training because they are rusty in their teams, they are not play a lot of matches. Now, sure, Luma Agbenyanu is the same. Only 523 minutes. I'm not surprised. Say these players are on the training session. Now on the strikers, and now maybe about other players and other department of the game. Medium statistics.
Or your goalkeeping.
Yes.
About a midfield.
Yes.
For defenders.
Yes.
And after cast strikers.
Yes.
And really on the strikers and after you.
Thank you. Now the first striker on the bill, Caleb Ekuban. Now Caleb Ekuban, a former Leeds United player, now on loan at Trabzonspor. The team that 4th position. Now Caleb Ekuban is a player about 28 matches. Now minutes, and I said time I was spending on the pitch 1,724. Now one indicator I judge players, and I said the judge strikers goals and the ability to assist the other players in goal scoring. Caleb Ekuban has 7 goals. Now the assist 3. Usha Caleb Ekuban as a goal as a striker. Now watch 7 goals in 28 matches. Which shows the average about 28 matches, so I just 7 goals.
28 matches.
I just 7 goals. Yes.
About Turkey.
Trabzonspor. Okay. Thank you. The team over 4th position on the log. Now, as a striker, about 28 matches, just 7 goals in 1,624 matches. I think said the performance, judging by the statistics, very, very low. Now, Caleb Ekuba as a striker, taking on average to score 1 goal in every 4 games. Caleb Ekuba as a striker, every 4 games, no share back up. Into 90 minutes, 90 minutes 4. And Sana Caleb Ekuba, to make sure 1 goal pay. Because if you judge by the games, about 28. Out of the 28, I just 7 goals pay. Into Caleb Ekuba as a striker, say you counting on him. Say you produce the goals. I think say you are getting it wrong.
Number of assists, why
assist 3?
Okay.
Yes, and 7 goals.
And already 3 yellow cards, I think.
Yes, okay. But who's the striker? The key indicator, the ability to finish chances. Until a man show yellow cards, maybe. But I think there's a good addition.
So Odi cards more so a bit boyaka.
Yes.
Waiting short on the tournament.
Yes, especially.
Emphasizes Caleb Ekuban. On the Kasa Caleb and San Ekuban.
Thank you.
A Turkish footballer on a ball.
Yes.
But never my friend Sabana Ekuban. And I never pay friend said Reverend Cobra. It was so far.
All right.
And he was careful. So
thank you. Yes, but it's a way of fact. Just something that manufacture make a fact. Say a factor. You are not afraid. You understand? We bought 28 matches. The minute that's the time I was spending on the grass. 1,724. It's Caleb Ekuba as a striker. Say sure the name say you produce the goals all the time. Wrong assertion and I say wrong imagination. Okay. In every 4 matches.
Now it
depends on him.
Okay.
Yes, it went to be a good day, but based on the statistics, yes, based on the yes, we said you can say hips don't lie, side paper the numbers don't lie. We show numbers now. We share goal, 1 goal in every 4 games. Where the statistics are bagada kakra on his performance in this season. Okay. And I say in Turkish Super League championship. Now the second striker on the ball, Jordan Ayew, about 23 times I'm the club, Crystal Palace. Now minutes I was spending on the pitch, 1,250 minutes. Also the performance so poor to the extent say now Michi Batshuayi on loan from Chelsea, Crystal Palace is now even ahead of him. Say if you are rating the strikers now. At the pecking order in Crystal Palace, you have Michi Batshuayi, you have Christian Benteke, originally from Egypt, but it's highly rated in England. Before, say, Jordan Ayew. In the game time as a player, I reduce it dramatically. Because Usha the time, and as Usha the minutes are about 1,250. Now, Usha goals, which is the best indicator, any judge striker say goals. Washa only 2 goals. Washa 1 in Premiership. And Washa 1 in FA Cup. As a striker, Washa 2 goals. About 1,250 minutes. Watch 2 goals per which shows say the average goal in the game, judging by the 23 times while representing and I say what appear on the pitch, judging by the goals average or share 1 goal in 12 games. In the on time share of both matches 90 minutes 12 and so watch 1 goal per. Okay. What about 23 times? I mean to be about matches 23 times. What about minutes of 1,250? Watch goals 2. What assisted 2. Goes to our the breakdown is Premiership 1, FA Cup 1. Into the average goal, and I said the average who striking the 2 goals are watching in average after every 12 games. Now did they and I said Jordan Ayew 1.
Okay. I mean, how much? Now, some why Jordan didn't view.
Yes.
Now, what's actually we say? Goals out of. What's how many goals? I say
2.
I say 2 goals.
1 in the Premiership and 1 in the FA Cup.
Goals be a very important. Yes. Goals, all goals are goals, but very important goals. You say your striker still in it's important goals.
And that's a crucial goals.
And that's a crucial goals. And you rest on the Mexico. But knowing very well, no. Nidian can say Jordan Pierre Ayew.
Okay.
Now, Okona Bako Sema, Abraham 11 September 1991 year old. No. Now, we did 27 years and something. Obia and you say me date of birth no 3rd February. 3rd February trim that. It is say it is still counting. It may just 40 years. What I say 40 years and something. You understand? To be counting 27 years and something. Now okay can criminal arrest and nema is course now. And they as a 2002 mono. Now oje about 960,000 euros. And this car oje a salary on the media odimo. Na ninia epenyi pa ene Andre Rami Dede Morgan Ayew.
Yes.
Ana afezu Ibrahim Ayew. Ana afezu Krana Imani Ayew. Ninia ene yom. Ana woka say ohese nema is course ni goal scoring rate no no slow I said 2 goals per honum the person come bi oni ahwe say sa 2 goals no crucial goals very important goals salient goals and it means so esha na yes obu ha na on tie she goals very often but o she goals are very important na papa ye no e say no so etimi basa iti to so
okay now the third player I say test striker
some ma for so nti say also edi 3 yellow cards
yes
we did 3 yellow cards we did 3 yellow cards and which is not too good.
It's not too good, yes, because disciplinary record very very important. As a striker, if you continue to receive, and I say, unya cards at the important time, now I got the card. Now cost the team, no. Now this is Sonny Yakuba. Who say the last game he was on suspension for 2 yellow cards. Costi got to 4 in the last game. Now the third striker on the blaster list, Emmanuel Boateng. Who say Emmanuel Boateng on your rave review, and I say on your hype, and I say on your fans. Won the 3 goals or share against Barcelona or share hat-trick against Barcelona our time about Levante, but now he has moved from Levante to a Chinese club in the Chinese Super League. Now we share Daniel Boateng and I say Emmanuel Boateng as a striker about 20 times in this season. Now we share minutes what ball the pitch and also on the grass 1002 minutes. Now as a striker we share just 1 goal assist 1 into which I say Emmanuel Boateng the current performance or share 1 goal in 20 minutes and I say in 20 games. Emmanuel Boateng as a striker or moving from the Super League and also moving from the La Liga League to the Super League and I say the Chinese Super League. Now Usha matches are about 20 matches. The minutes are about 1002 minutes. The performance and I say the key indicator the judge strikers goals washe bakupe assist and as all the other players to score was 1 who strike the goals are washe just 1 though and about 20 times in 20 games or share 1. It's judged by
Emmanuel Boateng.
Yes.
Emmanuel Boateng so me te so beba no na bi se no me nkona bako semu kakra me kom na ndi ankasa de Emmanuel Ochire Boateng Emmanuel Ochire Boateng enti uhu Boateng bi Ochire kama ma nyo nwa we Emmanuel Ochire Boateng e modaf bi e fe ne Jerry Ochire Boateng na ne papa ani ale boot de Kufodua kontine enti me hu se Emmanuel Ochire Boateng no na me sen ka me kom ahwe se related to family na me hu se da bi e Ochire Boateng family keke na o ye de free mu na also 23rd of May 1996 and was Abranti what just 22 years you know kan ya na Western University currently emso see kan edema Levante UD Bobuko no Western University ese koso a omuvu ye ohun na ni weight ankasa ni mudro 70 kg ni modu pa na come yes statistics be afa no but no say me the general I'm here all general we heard the most handsome black star player and the most ugly black star player it's but we hear category of the most U players now UP players now as of falling to that category also name is course but we need a yellow card and red card.
But what we are checking the age amami
and the age no send them a catch us say well just 22 years
okay they qualify for black meteors
qualify for black meteors
right
under 23
yes. The reason why I make can say in the black stars we have a lot of underage players who also qualify for black meteors. Now the reason why black meteors are struggle to qualify for Olympic Games because one coach rush under 20 players to the black stars and all of a sudden every coach thinks we always have to rush them to the black stars, and when you promote them and I say when you elevate them to that level they feel proud they will demote themselves to come and play for the black meteors. And mostly we pick up players ready for the black meteors. Into Emmanuel Boateng, if we should qualify I think it should be part of the U23 team going to Tokyo Olympic Games. Now the 4th player and I said the 4th striker on the list Kwesi Appiah. Now Kwesi Appiah the last time Obama Ghana was in 2015 African tournament under Abraham Grant. Now the call up I raise a lot of eyebrows. I can say he has not played a lot of games. What is the reason why Yafrenu Nanka Yafre Mahatma to crap and get better? But we show the statistics are about 31 matches and I say
statistics are
Kwesi Appiah.
Okay.
We show the statistics are about 31 times and I said 31 games. I'm at the club AFC Wimbledon or more the League One championship in UK. Now Usha minutes are about on the pitch about 1,903 minutes. Which also is active, is consistent for Wembley before no. Now the crucial game, and I said the crucial winner, and I said the crucial game I was so far in this season say about the FA Cup match between AFC Wembley against West Ham. Now share 1 goal and also assist 1 goal into where recent performance. I think say this is one of the games Coach Kwesiapia who here or the fair Sabrante. Now we show the goal study and I said the key indicator I judge a striker goals any assist. Was 7 goals. Kwesiapia has 7 goals. The assist 3 goals. Now the average of Kwesiapia goals say or share 1 goal in every 4 matches. Kwesiapia as a striker or share 1 goal in every 4 matches. Now me tally all the strikers. Who's there 4 strikers? Me tally goals then 7 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2. You 17 goals. Now all the 4 strikers in the matches are one body now. Match only 17 goals. The 4 strikers who can goals in this season. Your 4 strikers so much 17 goals. Now Usha matches are Omabona 4 strikers have 17 goals are Omabo 102 matches.
Your 4 strikers are from now. Now come goals on my share on my club how many goals? 17 goals. 17 goals. 4 strikers. 4 strikers.
Okay. Match 17 goals out of 102 matches.
Okay.
Usha statistic is very poor.
Okay.
Match 17 goals out of 102 matches.
17
goals. The 4 strikers. Match 17 goals out of 202 matches. Now Usha the minutes are when you spending on the pitch 5,779 minutes. 5,779 minutes. 5,779 minutes. 79 minutes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. When I share the highest number of goals,
the highest number of goals are players actually Kalabe Kuban. Was 7.
7.
Yes. And Kwesiapia was 7. Into their tie. 7-7.
And can't it in school because some more brackets.
Yes. Okay. Bracket. And share the washer.
But they say a ballot near Ibako. About could you name teaser say no?
Okay.
You read near the money for so near our sanction. And I saw the assist.
Assist now with the assist there car. Kalabe Kumanya 3 assists. Kwesiapia also 3 assists.
Yellow card.
Unfortunately, we need yellow cards.
Okay.
We need yellow cards.
Kwesiapia also 3 yellow cards.
3 yellow cards.
3 yellow cards. Okuban say Okuban so our 3 yellow cards.
It's a high tie. It's a tiebreaker.
And ages. And yeah,
it's about ages. I think the Kwesiapia will be.
Kwesiapia
28, somewhere 28.
There be Kwesiapia Western and Mexico so New England and power 28.
Yes.
12 August 1990 and you know. Now ono de England ni ba pa you England to England ni omo fa na hwe no so there be ene se minchiri fia de na meba na ma bebo ama ne ma tia koyi e de ama micro phone so ana ono so aba oba eye Ekuban also Ekuban so 24 years 23rd March 1994 and also ye wo no na am so no so Verona o Italy share so baby and am so no so di agro ho sa on ye wo no Verona o Italy nti omu na ya brofo ma na omu sa wo Ghana for enso moja wo na ne atonsa da from no
it show strikers normal records I know statistics I say it's very poor say 4 strikers who come go saying na Eboma match just 17 out of 102 matches and out of the 5,779
17 goals in the mom near say each striker biano saying 4 divided by 17 each striker biano the points will be between senior
say it's very I mean it's very poor say players are form say you are coming to replace Asamaja to produce the goodies say Asamaja you people will come in and replace him no Ushem go rate and I say we go scoring chances and I say we go scoring abilities and I say we finishing records is very bad. I think they have to improve themselves dramatically and I say so we improve on performances. Now I can't be kakra on Kotoko. I will say after say you away from this is when I say when you speak to coaches, when you speak to analysts, you have to break down technicalities of the game. Technical aspect of the game, positive and negative of the team, player behind strength and weaknesses. This is when we have to do a post-mortem. Senebeya will draft a technical report for the next time Kumasi Asante Kotoko or any other team we call Africa. These are certain areas team Nibenya of weaknesses and maybe our strengths so you strengthen them more. Now, but when you speak to people
in Kensana Kadia about say we choose the number of games played.
No, me can say if you check Kalabe Kuban, the games played 28.
28.
Yes, was 7 goals. I assisted 3 times. Now what about 28 games? I watched 7 goals. On the average, who's striking the goal average? Caleb Kuban Peo and Sa Ekuban, who's striking the average goals are or share 1 in every 4 games.
Okay.
After 90 minutes, best 4.
Rate no fem.
Yes, or fem. Okay. Or share 1 after every 4 games.
Okay.
Now, yes. Kwesi Apia, we share Kwesi Apia. Also about 31 times, and that's why he has played 31 games. Now, we share the goal scored at 7, assist 3. Or also share 1 in every 4 matches.
And I'm still I'm for match when yes, go.
Yes, but you can shift the post small to Kalabekuma because on about just 28. And Kwesi Apia about 31.
Until ufi 28 at 29 to 30 and still you know.
Yes, it's now
still I use all the methods.
Yes,
but I say exhaust you use qualitative.
Yes,
and you use quantitative, but still it's mean a tiny still you know necessary encounter when you have weekend no say ba kutimi shego no break is at the leading goal scorer among the 4 strikers at once and
now and answer to add to what you are saying say you pick a top striker and I say pick a striker. I expect to say either Caleb Kuban and I say Kwesi Apia the best starting. Judging by the goals, or much goals more than Emmanuel Boateng, Jordan Ayew. The based on my experience and I say this national team we play with form. Our former you are selected to play the national team. That is the reason why because of the former Hostin Odoi over Chelsea. It's just 18, but your friend were English national team. It's a starting game now. Either Caleb Kuban and I say Kwesi Apia based on research form. So I'm starting. Now to me Asempa make
Oba Kotoko.
Yes.
Ubekitem kakrama me.
No problem.
Sedwa de mu ha obra panyin no. Na akola de onya kwenya no atwen kana obra panyin so didi ho kakra wai. Nti yema bra sedu. Enso empra preche bia ode adu no. Nti owie na afia saba Kotoko. Na afi ya Kotoko so operation.
Okay.
Nti ebesre Kotoko fon so de messages ba no. E operation maybe anu from abeko mu. So wa e operation nkasa maybe wa no. Nsa from abeko mu. Nyabote doctor no so see who we are not share period obetimi asare but me fast akwenya kese so answer na serious dem beba no enkenkan interesting messages kakra ensa kan e hanom madam you find it I'll say enjoy your show. Can we use their league and only some of the aba nti ono no so hwe se nke use league no ranking na e bia o hwe Turkish league na hwe ba bia omo so bon so a no so betia sa adai kutomize 2 players na fie hu
actually say our competitive
very good.
Yes, league.
So I think that we heavy until fantastic evening come bia also be I think that a promo de contributions ever show no so rather than say obi or the sentiment say bia o bata baby or the partisan contributions and ever no ya name wa o say Kwesi Apia is bias coach. Why is it that he does not why is it that he has not been calling Mahatma Otu in the senior national team? Justice Kwabena J. Dibala from Bepwase. Justice Metro Babia Mahatma Obo na wahwe division no. So between they compare my Obo premier so na waka mepem why na ehun se na nema AC Eko e wodwumadi ayegusu di wa hanim. Nti ya na enyina enya abotre e wo se na nema AC Eko. O say I'm Henry. Also, Prof, congratulations to Asante Kotoko for their wonderful performance. I'm hearing from Ashaiman and Henry. So, Edu Abijako de Anna Oko. Obi say, Prof, good evening. Please check your. Okay, it's true. I realized that Kotoko, Omo Confederations Cup, no, they were not last on the top. Ali Hilal and Eda Air first. In Ghana, Eda second, Kotoko Eda third, and Zesco United Eda fourth on the table. Inti Kotoko finished with 7 points. It was Saki Sim Zesco finished with 7 points. But head to head, no, Emma Kotoko Eda. Zesco for through our Sanchez Shemu. Inti Ahila, 11 points in Canada, second with 9 points. I was sent within ACF committee. I think it has been corrected. Respect, champion Baba. I think
Kotoko is on top not because of head-to-head but because of goals scored. Because head-to-head now the same for the two teams involved. In goals scored within the group, you know. Yeah. Because when you take the permutation now, you do everything, you separate everybody, then take the two teams. So the two teams who had first the number of points gained between the two teams involved and the number of points near 3-3. Okay. So it is tied. Okay. Then you go to the next one. The number of goals scored between the teams involved. Goals no say the same. So the number of goals scored against each other and you say the same. So the number of goals scored from away
competition
and also away the same. Into the BR the same. So you go to the next one, which is the number of goals scored in the competition. Then I could that top of Zesco.
But it's a process of the head-to-head, no? No, goal scored.
Yes.
A distinct.
Yes. You're right. Correct.
Yes. The players, no?
Yeah. We could break it down. Yeah. You're right.
It's interesting. I remark and I say that the Muso Eddie Abba Ewa Hanum. I say this is the game. Okay. I say and this for Kwesiapia. Okay, obviously the message is about say videos and what they about meet me and say we program na me koda na mo kan na me charge phone kakana mo data na mahwe. I say good show bro. I'm doing the listening in committee 11. I'm Frank Kwadwo Boatin and also the way Abba. Also good evening prof. All these bad statistics of our strikers and some players are still some prophets will prophesy that Ghana is going to win AFCON. Bebeto from Kumase, Breman, and also the way Abidja Boko, Ewa, Bebeto, Nkomo Zumedium, or the Abidja Boko, or Okoda, no Semena Menkana, ye baby Amramso. Kotoko is doing well. I'm Koku, Isaac, Accra, and also the way Abba. I say good morning, I'm Sabia de Panon and Power. I say Blasters Penny. Would Blasters even have the players Ghana had at Senegal 1992? Koku, Austin, Texas, and Odifi, Abidja, Hanoboko, Samuel Ofosu, Ata. Fidelity Bank and I'm so was a champion wallace. Which operation is that? And then Asema will be so Eddie Abba. I was saying easier because operation is I say Baba with team no one operation and Baba and operation with so operation with the Baba. Now they are showing the coach Robert Saki said or Salutui studio or the Fiabuchi and the buy. Tagore Sterling say I saw everything at the Accra Sports Stadium today when the Stars were training. It's clear that all this while Dan Kokuyeboa was aiming for Sunny's position. He chopped his time at stadium today, Papa. Ghana man that, yes, and then I will be so diaba. I was sending my ACL con Douglas, and so I Pap 16, on any pressure, so maybe Mutafa, or say Pap 16, or race course, Gordon Tam, who turned it pay, or say, Omo 80 Bruta. I just said, be our orange son who be a 80, may sure say. Almost I was trying to 80 moment program no man san phone ko 80 emusu tie bi ne ewusa na nema ABC akwenti messages na say ne metia kan for the time being ani intime nko seed ho na seed nso emfa kakra bra seed
me da say for the opportunity me da unu producers na say any your listeners say ma me fa kakra nka the statistics nka near Michael Ayeno, but I won't go deep. Maybe small size about Kwesi up here, the far team no in the last 22 months. I can't 2 months, no clock 2 years. Oshe Ejuma Waya, Ofe Ejuma no so obey rebuilding. And over statistics now, really, he's really doing rebuilding. I don't know when he's going to finish because per the numbers, he's still rebuilding. And Osha wabo 11 matches, we winning 4, I draw 4, lose 3. In the process, say this weekend match in Kahwa, we face 65 different players. 65 different players, and I see appear over the last 22 months. We will break down we have 4 different goalkeepers, we have 21 different defenders, we have 27 different midfielders, and we have 13 different strikers. So these are the statistics in terms of the number of players. Minim say this discussion come the list of players our afraid, the number of times our afraid each of the players. Now it be crowd more opportunity, crowd more mensia can me. So all these numbers
in total no James Akwesiapia Blasters of Ghana head coach former Kumasi Asane player no.
Yes.
Kunya Kwenya so be the Blasters
for the second time no.
Coach for the second time no.
Yeah.
We afraid in the total of
65 players. Yeah.
Yeah. And out of the 65 players no. Breakdown
4 different goalkeepers.
4 different goalkeepers.
Yes. We have 21 different defenders.
21 defenders.
We have 27 midfielders.
27 midfielders.
And we have 13 strikers.
13 strikers.
Yeah.
And we are from
within
a space of about
22 months. Or the about 11 matches.
Okay.
We're winning 4. I draw 4. lose 3.
A year and how many?
A year, 1 year, 10 months in office.
Okay, 1 year,
10 months in office. Officially, Nejuma started 1st May 2017.
Okay,
so
yeah,
1
year, 10 months.
1 year, 10 months. Yeah. Yeah. Until we strike average in our head number of players of every month, you will see say really or you're rebuilding. That's what I'm saying. Say we should do offer for different players now. It really means or you're rebuilding until when we will know say what free we know. That's when we also know say what building. And as he keeps bringing new players, it means he's not finished or he's not done with his job. But today, I can't be big a craft on my list going, but I want to also talk on Kumara Sandi Kodoko. And say in everything you do, you look at international best practice. Overhead will be ayebida. And researchers crampono, you see BBA friend literature review. You go and see what others have done. You do analysis of it and compare it to what you are doing and see whether it tallies. And Kumara Sandi Kodoko, I think they have to do literature review. And last Sunday, just after the game, make sure say at this moment in your Kotoko here pa communication management, how to handle the different opinions nearby. Anyhow, or mankasa bit my manager or mankasa communication to ensure that it is in line with the club's policy, even if there is. They must ensure the communication is in line with the club's policy, if there is one. Maybe I may be here.
The communication of commercial Sanigo.
Yes, there should be a club's communication policy.
Okay.
If there's a club communication, me sure say multimedia, SMC, never complain or be also no Kasama multimedia. Their communication policy and who should communicate what at what time. If the club has that policy, it will help. But I doubt they have that policy. And every company, you need to have these policies. You need to have a company like Kotoko need to have a management policy,
but
which includes.
What's our policy?
I doubt. There's a research work one day we will share, and that research work, it was done by a gentleman called Bright Otu at Ashasi University. Okay. Or pointed out of the 21, in fact, of 21 best clubs in the world. We are and of 21 least clubs in the world, or your analysis of 200 teams. So for the top 21 and the last 21, do compare and share in terms of governance what they do right and what they do wrong, what the top 21 teams do right and what the last 21 teams also don't do right in terms of down. And you could see say purely analytical. So when you see a team performing, it's not by fluke. When you see a team performing in Europe and you say sebi lucky be and now obi akodas na it is systematic. There's a laid down well structured policy that makes the teams do well. So I go to a club like Real Madrid. Into sometimes I may say has to be afede or they has a compare Real Madrid say Real Madrid as soccer coaches be brain. That was the day I held my head in tears. Say it is finished for Hasselhoff. Because when a team like Real Madrid is sacking coaches, it is because they have a policy direction that means that they have done everything right, and therefore a coach must also have a certain area also or fit into. You change into percentages. Coach no will be also be fit into. So when you say they know say it is not. They do the analysis, the breakdown, and see that the problem is from the coach. That is why Real Madrid like a club and home class almost like a coach. But they are still the most successful club. And it's also a Saki coach. You ask yourselves, are you the most successful club? So this goes to Kodoko once again. They should do a proper analysis. At this stage, we expect to say before the competition, at the end of the as a club policy, what was the target? What were the Ejuma to achieve the target? So Ubeka say your BBFN is smart analysis where your plan should be systematic. It should be measurable. It should be something that you think you can achieve it. It should be time bound. It should be realistic. So they could do this smart analysis. If they did that, they should come back. The management say many or more and can you lucky and watch them 1 week. Then do a SWOT analysis of our smart objective. So there's no SWOT analysis. I'm sure everybody knows. We analyze your strength, your weakness, the opportunities and the threats that came your way. So you do this analysis and compare it to the objective that you set to yourself, the smart objective now set here. I'm saying this because of the communication about say coach. I have no problem. Me, as far as I followed Real Madrid, I followed Chelsea. I have no problem with the club sacking coach. But before you sack that coach, you must do all the analysis before you come to a conclusion. Say, coach, you pamuno. So that is what I'm saying. The quarterback team must do that analysis. You say, I won't say, CK Akono 4 months ago, I find a Jumano. One, they the smart objective Edumano. What may achieve 4 months down the line.
Okay, we dey amrase kwan so fasi ya mame na menye menhwe se as of folk so general manager koye no abuchi no amabiu nti o matonsa e dey afre papa bi a friend say Frederick Moore say Frederick Moore enfa bibiri emeka ho you should come and add more nti we say na esi ekoso na as of folk be experiencing more e wo mudwumadi a omodimu but me ko Mohammed Hassan or former phobia bed editor in chief and after oye former across of folk you can't omo chapters na say na udima kwetene pa sao management mu krapen I just say ni ono so akira ono so yesana ne club na esi ekọ Mohammed Hassan wajo
mejo so
emre fi oppose back on former manager for goal e wa chimoda Shell, former Shell manager, Chimoda. Yeah, post the number of you. What is happening? What is happening, pa? What is happening, pa? Nezo yadi, nezo yadi.
Say, me ya me port to be kakra order.
Tinese for.
Me printing press no so.
Okay, printing press no so. Okay. Now say Tamana has a folk giant Asempa no phobia bed with me top person best ahen.
Oh, me printed 50,000 copies. Yeah, we never got printed 72,000 copies.
Hey. And what did he ask who since and has said you no?
I some my brother has for until me so me did one no.
Oh, okay. Do radio no kakra ma me asem nya feedback or
okay. Let me do the
Obeti me kanti dum no
Yo, Mazi.
Okay. And when a new manager, a friend Frederick Moore. What na say who?
Oh, metenasi wa hima. The way manner papa his highness Togo afede intended of what more no. Who say has one time so say trans zero be papa be tran or analysis on Kotoko no. Me, I'm congratulating Kotoko for what he has done. Because Dr. Che, he listened to what the supporters said and he brought management. And there's no link. Why normalization is a demobilization, the day mobile, she has been on Ghana football. Meanwhile, Kotoko has been able to break this storm and they have played to this, they have done well so far. So I congratulate Dr. Che. This is exactly what Togo Afede should have done. To have sat down and then bring an old person who knows the terrain, who knows how to make sure that has win matches, to bring the supporters together. And send away work over accountant. I had my own as accountant. Work over another one, deputy chief executive accountant. What's the accountant? And the accountant from never had a football. Wow. So these are the things that Togo Afede has been very careful. Who to the I said, you're trusting. Now, find all you do, open the whole house fraternity. Stakeholders meeting, yes, anything. But that football, as football is no business. Number one, before I even grab a business aspect, team in Yade, they are winning. The supporters are happy with the club. Whenever they go, they fill the stadium. You are transferring press. And then business aspect number. Now, no more, I did a gubasa. Knock over Akata. I came to your studio and told you that this man will run away. That was right. Because he didn't know the terrain. Wow. Only terrain and I told all Ghanaians that this man will run away, and very luckily he has run away. Hey, despite all the analysis and then the explanation he's giving, he has run away because the work is so enormous that he cannot do it. You understand? So the time has come for Togo to have sat down with his board. I don't know whether the board meets. I'm telling you, I don't know whether has a board meet.
if House of Folk by board they meet, they will have sat down to make sure that before they appoint a new managing director or a chairman who will bring his management to do the club, they will have sat down for some time and then thought about it. You see, about before Ekobo no Tamalino, there was this man who got $20,000 sponsorship for 1 year for House of Folk. Togo Afede wanted to appoint him the MD. Even I was one of the delegation who went to this man to Nigeria. Let us do something. One board member said over his dead body. So he made sure Togo Afede didn't appoint that person. So all this good sponsorship, $20,000 a month for 1 year, with the option of increment to about 50,000, went down the rain. That's because somebody just don't want us to progress. Oh, and in terms of comes, I mean more less so we need the over. So I'm waiting to see whether he'll be able to do it. Okay. And I know he cannot make it if he come and toe the line of all his predecessors. What him say? Like the normalization committee, football club, yeah. Sana took a fitness, I say. Obia onim football who has their own panel, even including those at the secretary. Oh, they could see you, Madika Krakra. Oh, they are all going. Oh, and the victimization will not bring us up anywhere. It is when they sit down and then make sure that they take victimization out of their life, and then they make sure they bring good people who can manage that. People who have done some before. I don't know more about Wasati Kazao. When Amwaku was appointed, did he start talking? He didn't. Oh, let us obey you. What about Wasati Kaza? He doesn't do well. I'm telling you. Because as a contrast or share problems in a house and what have you done? Oh, so what I'm telling House of Folk and Togo Afede is that he needs to bring everybody on board. Because before he came, House of Folk has won everything. The asset he came and met, he hasn't added one. Yeah, probably my Obatui, House Secretary Obatui, 2 buses in Obatui. He hasn't added one. But meanwhile, he says we are owing him more than 80 billion. When House of Folk were owing about 2 billion, we won Champions League, we won the Cup 6 times, we won Super Cup, we won the Confederation. So we are now owing about 80 billion or what? And what is it? What has he done for House of Folk? Everything House of Folk is having now, he came and inherited it. He has never brought even one thing. The only thing he has brought a white man coach, a white man CEO, and which is needless. You understand? So what I'm saying is that if House of Folk is to stand up and make sure they do what they did during the great Atua West time, we need to call a big stakeholders meeting and make sure he brings somebody who can bring back the high spirit so that we fill the stadiums. We win matches with that, you know. Imagine here, Kanechi. We brought Kanechi to House of Folk to bring out the spirit. Look at how many people have come to the stadium. Look at over 5 billion cities. Now, I say, are they good board members? Board members. They should have maintained Kanechi as at now because all the supporters say, oh, yeah, pen. So he should have listened to the supporters. Because your baby say the nipa penu they want to also so that now it is supposed to not work and so go mutie board no trans no mutie do at our time almost to take a decision now supporters say oh no on your trans or say no afa what the offer ya make obi 1999 some BBC here and the NCC no said no ya pray at our way every year nyina dey ko share so 2001 because he listened to us. And now we are nipa na o person obetia o say I go for crocodiles na dey na be good team no. E be na team be 10 years you know we have done the same thing for the last 10 years and it's not working and we are still doing it. And what is that?
Oh, that
we have done the same thing for the last 10 years. So we need to change and they change the people who are advising you and bring new people for them to know that when he is advised well, we will do well. So what I'm telling House of Folk, whether they will insult me or they will insult me, I was part of everything House of Folk. Has Lawrence or maybe I was part. Everything as I've done, I was part. So I know what I'm talking about. Now on Jai, sponsorship $20,000 a month. Father, it's a one pray and pointing the Pacona and confirm.
No, company bank, no company bank.
Our former,
and no company bank, sir, $20,000 a month.
Mother, a Nigerian company, but met my catch was there. It was laid down by the late Professor Mas. I didn't want to say it, but because I'm involved, I'll say it. Late Professor Mas no laid down. So I didn't mind. Even probably man, who's there? Probably we got some money in the year, and it took a very year. What happened during Commodore time? It's the same person who brought that amount. Wow. I don't want to mention his name because he hasn't given me the authority. Meanwhile, he has taken it and given it to sexual source. So I did not mention his name. He's a big cement man. You understand? And he would have given us more. But Obi Koshna has office. I can say over his dead body. And luckily, Asempa has over his dead body. That day I ever ponti. Papa no. I'm going about meeting. Meanwhile, most of the board members knew it, but they could not challenge. But they had nothing. And I know that sponsorship in Yaya and that is it. And we have got to $65,000.
Okay.
Just 3 years ago.
Yes, I heard about now say the appointment of Frederick Mono say more say less so nyadia mubetians happening. O problem in say to be I involve stakeholders since say balance papa be perform kana stra no nyadia ambagina tum.
Operamo dia. Tie, who say e buy no Luna buy no. Na mentano. I didn't hate him, but I said he cannot perform because you need to go through something. Like the other guy was saying. I call about so the 9 years. And then man is CEO. Do you know the reason why? Because we took him through the mill. Near going to be really super really confederation. But we took him through the mill. Wow, say mother. Like when they were going to Zambia, they needed not to talk too much. What did I say? Because who go to come now? You did that. Now who say who because Zambians, now need a stake. We know and farm. So they should have gone there like Harris upon Alaji has did in 2000. France 29 years nobody has beaten them. So we went there for 3 months. We went and formed the chapter 109 of Tunisia for 3 months. And almost 1 month. We were able to beat France. So Protocol should have kept quiet, go to Zambia there because they have no decision to beat Protocol for what? But they talk too much. It is just where I say that football is for football people. Football is for football. Football is for football people. Football and some way. Lawyer, I'm going to be chairman of Ghana Medical Association. But they had nothing. And they say, I have a diagnostic. That time, no committee over here. Me, a fact, apart from KK Sapon, because KK Sapon is a football person. Whether it's a protocol man or this thing, it's a football person. I like KK Sapon. Ibrahim Sunday, fine. But where lies the coming of Asenzu? Huh? Why a deputy minister for it? I don't know the account. Yeah, they are doing politics. And it will not happen. Okay. Football. If there were no football clubs, there will not be Ghana Football Association. Because the first man who formed the Ghana Amateur Football Association, Dr. Akwenu, government support the reform here. Or forming every professional and Ghana Football Association, and your government, football clubs. So all nations, before you join FIFA Cup, it is football people. Oh. The normalization committee, they suspect all football people. And if anyone be away, what the time has come for the normalization committee or anybody to realize that they cannot go through if they forget or they neglect football people. That is it. That amendment committee, KK Sepabe, he will use his football skills. I know. But it's too late. He will use his football skills to make sure he did something because he's a football man and knows the interest. Former President Kufuor, he was a football person, so he knew how to do. Former President Mas, you understand? They are all the new football people. So because I'm not football people there, say, I like the normalization committee, don't move football for. But I want to tell them that even Supreme Court judges are with the football. The best 2 Ghana presidents are football people. master degree holders are football people. So I don't know football people. Unless they all come around and talk to football people. Hey, we are going to come back and sit here.
Okay. Mohamed last time, Aduma, Ebesa Kasabiu, na very cinema is your cause. Are you still the son of Paga?
Yes, I'm the crocodile. So whoever attempts me in the morning, the crocodile will attack him in the night.
But I think I overheard you saying, say, to go for crocodiles in Abegu.
I know a fake crocodile. That crocodile then is a fake one. What is the Paga crocodile? No more you be a film that. Paga crocodile doesn't hurt anybody or hurt you, unless you are somebody. Or they are nothing. But the other crocodiles, like the one to go has brought, they hurt people. They
who are the other crocodiles?
The other crocodiles are the ones he has to pull.
Who are they?
Tomorrow I'll come to the show myself. Then I'll tell you whatever. Okay. Because I've been absent for so many years.
Yes.
And I'm coming back.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Boss. So when you call me, I'll come.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
But I want to say something. The awards these people have been given to sports people here, they are fake. They are bought. The reason why I'm saying that somebody like you or Michael Odro of Metro TV, they should have given you an award. Look at the analysis. Look at the man there. You are giving me the chance to make scientific analysis. But those who doesn't make those analysis are brought as the best. I say they are fake. They can insult me. They can do anything. But until the time they make sure that they do good pickings and bring good people to win those awards, I will tell them that it's fake awards that they are bringing. Thank you very much.
Mohamed Alassa, the son of the crocodile.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much this evening. Okay, it's
well, thank you very much for the opportunity once again.
Everybody is thanking me.
You see, it's unfortunate that Yempe Nokreno and it hurts. But the point is that the truth is good, but it's always bitter. Utekiswa, you get the healing that it requires. And over the years, many of the leaders in Ghana do not want to be told the truth. They want to be praising or praised. Unfortunately, maybe they won't get that from some of us. So, I mean, continue with the Kodoko analysis. So, Mekase, Siki Akono can be fired, he can be sacked. But the point is that, and yet because Ubia Kasi and permanent. Uyanisa, Sekotoko, CEOs and Sekotoko management, Janisa, they will get it wrong. The point is that they should analyze the situation. It could even be, say, the target nano or more pay from the club as a whole and from the coach or Munyae. But they think that going forward, they want to change the club's policy. Therefore, changing the club's policy, the coach, policy will not meet the coach's tactics, and the coach's philosophy. Therefore, they want to do away with him. There's no problem with it. So I was saying over the weekend, President BTC Florentino Perez, he doesn't believe in coaches. He believes, because 2016, or can I say, by the end of 2019, he will bring a robot coach. Because he will bring the best materials, he will get people to train them. But when it comes to selection, he doesn't want human influence. He wants the robots to do the selection. And so, Kodoko, people have started pressing the panic button. Yako competition. A competition we didn't expect to get to this level. Mark at this level. But like Oliver Twist, you want more. Maba down. No settle a cry. Discussion of let's get rid of the coach. So Omorashi get rid of the coach. You should also know, say, some of the players may have come to the club because of the coach. So the more you get rid of the coach, the more the opportunities for some of the players to leave, the more you are forced to rebuild everything again. And in football, there are departments, and every department what percentage of it also here, from the board, management, technical, the playing body, and the fans. Will be our percentage here. So with your percentage, you have to ensure that other departments' percentage is also done. It's a chain. In that chain, you have to ensure that your chain is well hooked up before you go to try to solve the other chain. So many of the time, management here the year crampo or so pam coach. Meanwhile, lapses may be coming from the management's point of view. So before they think of sacking CK Akono or any other person in the club, I expect, say, 4 months down the line, Omonje reports from the coach. In fact, from management should present a comprehensive report. And this comprehensive report, management itself must have every department of the management present a report. Accra reps should represent their report. Communication department, move a report. Move your CEO, no, on the non analysis of it. Or you are say they have a policy analyst. The policy analyst should take these reports, do a comprehensive analysis of it. Or we are a technical department. CK Akono as the head, no, should also tax the men under him. And the men under him, I mean the assistant coach, the physiotherapist, the physio, other men of the department. Will be actually the individual report. You have CK Akono putting it together. On from a policy analyst. No, you are playing body. The playing body is expected to have a leader. They should also have departmental leaders. And in the departmental leaders, we expect that the goalkeeping department should have a leader. That leader should have a report why we consider certain goals. Were some of the goals even avoidable? What was the communication between the goalkeeping department? What sort of training can a goalkeeping department know? You're going into a certain game. What was the mentality? Was it even necessary to keep with Felix Oanan in all the games? Was it important there? Say Tego Muntari. Watching Mediama for 2 successive African campaigns. No, some of the away matches because I'm keeping in post. And this analysis you need to put together. You go to a defensive setup. But
it's going to be difficult. All these things that you're
but anytime consuming. Something simple.
It's going to be difficult because Kotoko embarking on this journey. No, what I say was as a result of people who have fallen into trance, people who have had visions, people who have prayed. You understand? So how do you put all these spiritual things together?
Under spiritual ownership.
Yeah. You understand?
No. You see, but you see, we here we want to do it. We want to do intellectual discussion. We will not dwell on their faults. We will not dwell on their shortcomings. Because the shortcomings, as well as you know, says and you know, show ya Kakorograph can we have go in the first place. Yet you have Friday night. No more meeting about Kojatum, so I'm in Africa. And I show Friday night, I'm meeting be at 3 o'clock. 7 p.m. we're on this show. In a job, the meeting was first and foremost illegal. And the decision that was taken there was another illegal. There was an illegality that was committed in deciding that nobody goes to Africa. We brought the law on this very show. So if we want to dwell on their lapses and their shortcomings, then we will not come and sit here. That is why we have gotten the opportunity to at least give light to where there is darkness. That's what we stand to do. So, because now everybody is adopting or accepting modernity in the game. Everybody is accepting technology in the game. Therefore, you cannot go and sit somewhere and say your club dwells on tradition. And even tradition, what is tradition? Tradition is what you do frequently, and you tend to project, you tend to control it, you tend to do it and do it again. But in doing it again, you need to adopt other ways and other styles of people doing it to conform with what others do and to get the results of what others do to get their results. In 1986, there was a team called Red Star Belgrade in Serbia. I'm saying, why can't a Serbian team, or why can't they also win the French the top leagues in the world, which is the Champions League? They put up a 5-year development plan. And in that 5-year development plan, while Asempa believe said they had a certain philosophy and a certain direction. So almost every year, almost Saki coach, but that 5-year development plan say we win the Champions League. They won it in 1991. But almost every year now they were sacking coach. Do you know why? Because the management had a certain direction, and that direction meant that they brought a certain number of players into the team, and that bringing that certain number of players and a style of play, means that they needed a coach to fit into the player style of play and the philosophy and the policy of the club and of the management. So coach Ubana Son Fitina, they sacked you. But eventually in 5 years, they won the European Champions League because the management, the board, and the players were consistent, except one department and then
okay. My main opportunity to any breaking news, broke news.
Yeah, about
17 minutes ago, and normalization committee announced appointments to 4 GFA committees 17 minutes ago. Anna Sheibai was the normalization committee of the Ghana Football Association has announced the appointment of the following individuals to serve on 4 committees of the association. The committee includes referees committee, disciplinary committee, player status committee, and the appeals committee. Below are the chairman and members of the committees. Referees committee, Na Odofoli Norte, chairperson. Ka Ashi, member. Justice Yeboah, member. Ebokwetu, member. Emanuela Aglaglu, member. But before I go on to read further, let me once again tell the normalization committee or remind them that for somebody to become the head of the referees appointment committee, he must be a former referee, a FIFA circular, and it is sound Kumoneba. I think that they have once again displayed their ignorance again. I'm not messing words because now for the future that Chirima Ebijina will so Edia Sabo the Ghana football there. Yan Marasa, because Sebenado, Eja Negum, Eja from a Bonnie Gumsa. This new committee, Samson Ladi, Aini, chairman, or say, Kwaju Ado, vice chairman. How say could you do Melecha be Anna, one of my faniana. Dr. Koku Ovusu Asari, member. The BO1 retired William Amo, member. Nuruddin Al Hassan, a member. Player status committee, Isaka Al Hassan, chairman. As for Tetuku, vice chairman. Kwame Ayo, member. Sylvester Mensa, member. Cornelis Utu, member. Appeals committee, Agbeshi Jakwasu, chairman. Lawyer Jakwasu. Nana Eje Bafo Ewa, vice chairman. Kwaku Efrifa Insia, member. Joe Slovo Tia, member. Dr. Bella Bellu, member. Yao Obey, member. Vivian Ago Zokuma, member. Anafi Israel Aka, member. Kwaku Mote, member. Kwaku Mote being former UCU, Yoku chairman, Yoku boss. Hey, the members of all the committees have received their appointment letters and have commenced their function. We in Koma about a broke news. Inti Sedu, Fapa Pechana, can be person be phone and say for 3 callers be.
Well, I think we would have time to analyze the committees and look at the BOB fitting and say whether it conforms with the FIFA statutes and FIFA's regulations. I think it's the main library. So the listeners in Fanche Amantem, but we'll do a proper analysis of it.
Okay. 03022165545 03022165546. Memfa 3,000 callers be and sana. Ya so edwumadi so micro kan nyame adom ochina na yasa toa operation so kotoko operation ye be ne wo sene ma esia ko. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Pachawani.
Shams Mohammed.
Okay, bonite way.
Evening, Pachawala. At the Munwa of correct no bando Kasim, Milan Gausa or San Correct or see would turn up Blasa Skodan, Yapamo, but mine, normalization chairman because they be saying, when I go so, would
you mudi pound?
Minimum money, but I don't know can you tell us I go my so I just would be so well as we good.
Normalization committee, Papa SR the Metis Blaster first player copy mono. Ekoba say you concerned if you actually na son of your Mokasa. Was it not a problem?
I don't have a problem, you know. I don't know the book.
And I'm saying, was it not a problem? What here, Papa no so Casano or Safa in our side the Metis said there was a problem and they rectified it later on. Okay, yes, ACT. Hello. Hello. Hey. Yeah, but when you
within your family.
Yeah, Yankwe.
That is say.
Boko.
I want a committee in the Okato do much here and some become they are quite papa. Jafa 5 blaster sechi. Na be adoma Tima Kotakosapi aparidia or the Kujina Kono of Kenya no. Jafa 5 support. You have adoma in Amenda. Yabeba aba tight team na chi dia kama komasa santo kotoko yabedu sia sunbie mu me dem odi onyanko fom se team we dia o se ye selection pa ye di film ye di ebe shem na me check empon na me tell na boy ka shema
mate me da say Ezanko. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Bachawani.
Pastor Abdullah ne wadan for Abu Esine.
Okay, Yankwe.
Me na nyame nchira mo papa mo bojuma. We dey ya pacho na mlazini committee no oba ye happen if yan hu he e ka men kwa dia omo hwe no mo ye election mo nanka omo be ba gina no obi onimbo na opagya no sada gina ho dia sada dia mo ka no anokoro onimbo mo na wafa no so me ya on the 5 years kwa no Debi e gina no ho na e be gina. And Ghana especially yes sabe blaster ko lu so no mo saka say Ghana ball ni Ghana ntama. Nka o start league ni ntama. Ana tournament ntama. Say o metima anya players bi o metima abo. Ina nya me sure no gima pa o ye wa.
Matime da say. Hello. 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 Credit and reception problem. Hello.
Wale.
Me ba to wani.
Champa taxi da wani.
Champa yankwe.
Le bibi aboko de.
Yehu atiasi.
Mambo abaso. Wale aya o interview abo manager oni say aya sa akwana o dey confirm no di fire and chicken no. Me pa to oba me ma me obo jase. O se so three sa interview no to me sere sa na so e o fi onye yi. Ndi no ala go for so dem fa na o si me di na ma me di na ma no fro so amfa.
Yeah, Ofanche me. Why? Me am a friend. Why? Mo can be major fee, my friend.
The number last time 81. Why?
Okay, me am a friend.
Mati, Wale, the American say, who share Mamencha demo, you may of course work Ghana football, Wale. It will be a friend, Yamukanina, you know, say no crew. Wale, all the Sabi, we are driver. Me taxi driver, me namin Sabi, who look out for fat to choose a team, or Baba or Basso driving. Oh, some football for no one of my enemies and in Abanasa. I can't get the baby a Ghana football duty, but never be a coffee as Sabi Wallace, maybe you call so come as I do I knew no Tom from Mentino. And I got an answer. This is not Aban said, I dare Mamuran is German to know the said Sabi Wallace who do down the Maconishi booming. Who is the only so called pocket here, choose yes and go prison. Who doing that police was a midday issue, you know, you might prison issue and issue. And they were there the crowd. They do what to hold to Mutianu.
Okay, may I say, Winso Emra, hello. Hello. Yeah, but when you. Me patron kwe.
Wala so bon about me my pa mo ye. Am se ko be asante kotoko ya kwa baby. Am se nyankopon da roma. Target ya ye ti ye no. Nyankopon ada ngoti dia akotu hono. Players ni de o mi se bebre nye e be yi bi afrim. Na amanfo so mo yes na kotoko tim no mo anya da mo anya de ti krum hanom tim bi wa hanom 9 years ni cap kora mo nyi bi da. Ti ta kotoko nya me adom ni akwa kwesi aboy homoden pa nti mon kan fu ne ya de o Dr. Kwame ke ska wa spend na nya asam ketwa ye hu enim to ska to ga spend o krum ha ti hu fa so bi eden abaso te kotoko de ni ade be akwa kwesi nya mi shira
Mate me da say em say emfasia ana last one okay emfasia nti also good evening. It's been a long time. Everybody is thanking you because you've been giving people opportunity to express themselves. You are blessed. Thanks. Oti Akontawan and on this angle, and so 18 Savai. People even send insults and
we
acknowledge
wholeheartedly acknowledge it.
They send the insults via text message. They don't even have an Android phone to even send your insults. It's sad. Okay, I'll say we always pray for the Black Stars, but they don't pray for Ghana as well. And then come out with so Eddie Abidjawa Hakode and I say Wakoda. Lawyer Kwame Kwesi. I'll say I don't know appointment. And I say I'll say Mahatma Otu. Good evening, one last. Kwesi Appiah is always playing in championship in England. Scored second tie in England. So he is not better than Otu. Godson from Ashama. Mahatma Otu has scored 2 goals and 4 assists in 24 matches this season, more than Jordan and Boateng. And then
no, but Wallace, my say it my this Mahatma Otu one for because okay, so no problem.
George, it's a prof. I'm listening to you. I think Kwesi Appiah should use them in the match for George Mafu and also the way Ebijai Ewaha Coach Kondi Nikas who message no Ewaha. I say Wale, Michael is a very intelligent guy and I can see he's not sleeping anyhow like other guys you always select. The current guy is in town on your show. Massive respect for you. You are a very wonderful man. Respect large. Rashid Ayola, Sprinters, and also the way it's me Ebija Elhanum. And he also Prof Black Stars coach Kwesi Appiah should stop the hypocritical way of selecting players to play for national team. Fairness, equity is what we need. George Suwotum and also anyway eba in commodos yentimi and to us be on the BCA. I may add them out and second BBU. A best Sunday abroad no cinema is a cosu co bruco hene, Papa I cradwa, Doctor Ananebo Manso, a be a condition room. air condition studio no bia ono so room bia ono so abegyinema ono so adwedwere no ho ye so so promo ana den koma hodo aka wachi no ebre sunsumu de no honam fam na nkofo yi ana ehu nti e mo expertise no e beja mo na afi mo property kama imonta kwa meja kwa champion no ana broke news ne ba intem password de ba e medwa mu bia ho sena ne ma esi akwa na de imonta wa mo nya da ho kama Philip to AK47 the gunshot ma wa ha right abenyo Bernard Padi Botwe enso e wa ha ana afi enso kra no obema gifty anti mami so rest in Mexico so say gifty na wonu me na ku fie na aha yeah ti be estate obu be fizo ngo no ba estate ati enti right avenue any all the wonderful guys of the team omi na ti ensa boy channel so mama say ko buruku ahene any doctor na ne boama ana mo take over already no
we try be na many aje we try be